Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys are just going to be getting ready with me while I get ready for my parents' Thanksgiving dinner because it is Thanksgiving in Canada this weekend. So I am just getting ready and heading over to my parents' house for dinner. So I am going to be using my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. So if you're unfamiliar with this palette, this is what the palette looks like. So it just has these really pretty nude kind of cranberry colors, and I'm just going to do a very simplistic look today, nothing too crazy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the color hashtag and I'm going to put that all into my crease. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer on a brush and just go over my lids with it and just kind of cut out some of my lid. Just to about there, nothing too crazy. And then just going back into hashtag again and just blending the top of that. Now on the outside, I think I'm going to go into the color Wine and Dine. It's this really pretty plum color, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner. And then I'm just going back into hashtag and blending those two colors together. Now on the lid portion, I think I'm going to go into the color Cranberry Splash because that's just very fitting to today's theme. So I am coating my brush in Cranberry Splash and using my all-nighter setting spray, and then I'm just going to put that right over top of my lid. It's a really pretty shimmery color. And then on the outer corner, it's just not dark enough for me, so I'm going to mix a little bit of Wine and Dine and the color Brownie Points together and just make the outer portion just a tad darker. I'm also going to go into the shade Teddy Bear, which is like a purpley brown color. It's very cool undertone, and I'm just going to add that in. So now I'm going to clean up my lid, do the exact same thing on the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so I quickly did some lashes, my eyebrows, and just some wing liner really quickly. So now we can do the under eyes. So I am going to go in with the Violet Voss palette again, and my tapered brush. So I'm going to go into the color, I think I'm going to sweep Wine and Dine underneath my eyelids. Oh my god, I can't talk. I'm going to sweep Wine and Dine underneath my lash line. And then over top of that, I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the Cranberry Splash color. Just lay it down over top just for a little bit of a shimmer. Now I did lay some of Ice Cold down as a highlight off camera, but I'm going to go into the color Plouf in the palette, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner because it's a kind of a pink highlight shade. And I'm going to do that on both of the inner corners, just to really bring out the inner corner. I think it looks really pretty. And now the last thing that we need to do is throw on some mascara and some eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with the Big Ego by Tarte, and I'm just going to throw on some mascara quickly. So now that the mascara is on, I'm just going to quickly use this really long eyeliner that we got in our BoxyCharm and see if it works in the waterline. So this is by the brand Kohl Crayon, and I don't really like pencil eyeliners. I prefer liquid, or which one? This one is a pencil, but it's not as rough as that one, so I think I'm just gonna finish with this one. Nope, this one needs to be sharpened too. So I'm just gonna use my liquid eyeliner because it doesn't hurt and it goes on effortlessly. I find that the pencil eyeliners, especially when doing it in the waterline and tight lining, they tend to be really scratchy and not the best. If you guys haven't already seen my BoxyCharm video, I'll link it up in the eye for you. It was very disappointing, so if you guys want to see me be disappointed for I don't know, 10 minutes, go watch that video. But this is the finished look. The eye makeup is all done, so it's just a really pretty cranberry look. Nothing revolutionary, nothing crazy. I just wanted to do something kind of in the festive realm for Thanksgiving for us, and I think I'm gonna finish this off probably with either a dark red lipstick or a nude lipstick. But I also need to do my hair because it is pretty messy. So the one perk about dyeing my hair this red-orange color is I don't have to wear a wig when I go out for dinner or to my parents' house, but it does mean that I do have to style it, and right now it looks like a lion. So I'm gonna quickly go brush my hair, throw on a lipstick, and I will be right back. So I actually decided to throw on my Wildfire wig by Star Style Wigs, and I'm going to pair this look with Jeffree Star's Can't Relate. I just felt doing something nude is going to help gravitate everybody to looking at my eyes rather than my mouth, because the last look that I did was a really vampy look again, and then I did a brown lipstick and it was just very, very vampy, and I felt like a lot of people were gravitating to my lips rather than my eyes. So this is the finished look. So again, this was just something super easy to do, super Thanksgiving, super fall, nothing revolutionary. I will be doing more Halloween spooky videos to come in the next couple of days. I just need to film some. I finally got some liquid latex so I can start doing some special effects looks again, because my latex dried out and I had to wait for it to get here, but now I do have a bottle of latex and I'm very excited. Got lipstick on my tooth. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!